Already? Yes. Burial. The first thing they do is there is a dead person. They bat it, ceremonially bat and wrap it clean and put a cloth, white kadi, cold white kadi cloth. Tawag.
Or karangan.
And the relative and the family of the dead.
I hate you.
They're dead close and all of them were
Or,
white clothes.
please.
The next thing they we done
Nakuha ko eh. Medyo ingam pa ako.
The next thing, they set on the fire.
Fire!
The next day, cremated upon open wooden fire.
Ba't kaya na yun?
Then the dead become ashes and the ashes is being put into a fire.
Eric Soma yun eh. Tatay mo! Baby powder! Deodorant pare.
The next thing dapat is going to be put on the river called Ganges water. Ganges river.
Ganges.
Within 3 days. But what if the
Baby powder.
The Ganges River.
lalagay niyo